What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Kenla with an H. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-click yung notification bell so that you will be updated on my next coming upload. So ayan guys, sa video ito, pag-uusapan natin is we're gonna unbox this small package that I got online. Was sent through LBC. So ayan guys, just so you know, I made a transaction online kasi some of you guys were asking me what are some of those can I provide like kung ano yung mga legit sellers online where you guys could buy your badminton gears. As we all know naman guys, we have to be careful buying or transacting online rather. So katulad ng Lazada at Shopee, most of the time kasi guys hindi legit yung mga binebenta, especially yung mga badminton rackets, so you gotta be careful on that. There are also some online via Facebook, so you just have to be careful sa mga reviews. I-check mo yung lahat guys, just to be on the safe side kasi mahal ang mga pang badminton, lalo yung mga racket at shoes, so we don't want to end up getting budol. So ayan guys, without further ado, I'm gonna show you what's inside this small package. I'll provide the information down the description below para you can also check and you can buy it from him as well. Just so you know guys, this was sent to me like 3 days ago. 3 days ago siya na-send pa. So the good thing is it was sent before na mag-lockdown. So I think I spent like, let me just check how much did this thing cost. I think I spent like, hindi ko na maalala yung total, pero I spent like 1,150 like that, or 1,200 including the shipping. I'm not a fan of online shopping, especially with clothes or mga shoes, kasi I want to see it physically, so I prefer to just go at the mall and then check it, try, and then get the feeling and the fit at the same time. So, pero nauso na kasi online shopping. So, ayan, we're gonna go ahead and check this and ipapakita ko sa inyo siya guys. Shout out sa mga nasa bahay na nanonood ng vlog. So you guys just stay at home and then huwag kayong makulit guys at labas ng labas. Labas lang pag may kailangan bibilhin like medicines or pag mga grocery for food. So ayan guys, buksan na natin siya guys using our hands. So I'm not expecting anything here, so we'll see. Ayan. As you saw guys naman, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Ngayon ko pa lang siya bubuksan. By the way, before ko ipakita, what I ordered guys is 2 badminton shorts and at the same time isang towel grip. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's inside. So ayan, of course we have the towel grip from Yonex. Ayan, the red one of course. As you well all know naman, I love color red. That's my favorite color aside from dark navy blue. So ayan, go ahead and check. Okay, wow. So we have the shorts here. Wow! I am excited guys. This is like the new shorts from Yonex na the Minions. If you're familiar with the Minions, yung world's #1 men's doubles from Indonesia. I think Kevin Sanjaya is the one wearing this, the red one, and then his partner is wearing the blue shorts. Nag-order rin sana ako ng blue pero hindi siya available, so pre-order. The good thing is hindi ko na siya tinuloy kasi otherwise I don't have these items yet. So siguro next time na lang. And then I also ordered some Victor shorts. Ayan. Yung black na yung kinuha ko kasi when it comes to shorts guys, you wanna be safe with the color as well kasi ang mahirap pag mga puro printed or yung mga strong colors, mahirap siyang i-partner kung kung wala kang ibang dry fit shirt. At least pag dark or black, plain lang, you can partner it with any type of design or color ng pantaas. So ayan, may freebie din siya guys. I didn't order this, so we have the Yonex grip here. I don't normally use this kind of grip guys kasi like I've told you, I normally use the one with yung parang may cushion sa loob. So ayun. Of course I'm not gonna throw it. Thank you kay Zosimo, kay Zo dito kasi binigyan niya ako and magkano rin to guys. At least magpa-freebie siya. So most likely siguro ipapaano ko na lang to sa inyo. So, ayun lang naman guys, wala na siya. So we're gonna go ahead and open the items and let's see kung maganda siya. And then we're gonna go ahead and try and test it sa shorts and then we'll see kung maganda yung fit or whatnot. Kasi medium size yung mga kinuha ko kasi wala na siyang available na small. Tapos ang problema kasi sa small guys, I have like a Yonex shorts here. Hindi ko siya gusto kasi sobrang haba. Mas gusto ko kasi medyo maikli para mas makatakbo ka. Yun lang naman guys, personal preferences. Victor is from Taiwan as we all know naman. So, ayan, plastic. Don't throw the plastic, guys. Try to use it. Alright, so, okay, there's still the tag, so it means it's brand new. This is basically medium size, I think, or small. Yeah, medium size to. And guys, ang kapal niya. I really like it kasi yung how do you call this? The clothing or the material is kind of same as the material which I bought with Li-Ning. Kasi sobrang mahal na din ng Li-Ning, guys eh. If I'm not mistaken, kahit naka-sale sila, yung pinakamahal nilang shorts nasa 1,950 and it was already on sale, so sobrang mahal, guys. Based on checking, wala namang problema, guys. Maganda yung pagkakatahi. Walang yung tas-tas or whatsoever. Yan yung design, guys. Let me show it to you. Ganyan yung itsura. No, hindi siya animal. I thought it was an animal print or something, but it looks like, pero para siyang mga kidlat-kidlat. Meron din siyang pocket, which is I really like about it. Kasi yung ibang shorts ko, guys, na walang pocket, ang hassle minsan. Pag lalabas na or what yung keys, I have to put it on my bag instead of just putting it here. So, ayan. I'm gonna go ahead and test it, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura pag nakasuot siya. So, ayan. So, we're gonna open this. I'm more excited on this one kasi, of course, I'm a fan of Yonex. Wow! And you all know naman quality mga product nila. It's pricey. Pero, you know Japan naman when it comes to product, guys, di ba? Yeah. Like camera, Sony, PlayStation, like those kinds of thing. Definitely, you know, well, no question about the quality. So, ayan, guys. Ang sarap amuyin, guys, kasi bago. Alam mo yung pag galing sa mall or whatsoever. So, we also have the Yonex shorts here. Wow, this looks nice. I only bought it for 450. A lot of people think it looks like a boxer short. Pero I like the cool design, guys. It's really, you know, animated yung design and kakaiba siya, I think. So, ayan, maganda rin naman siya, guys. It has like a pocket, may bulsa din siya, dalawa. Pero walang bulsa sa likod, same as Victor. And what else? So, same height lang siya. And at the same time, one thing I really like about it, guys, is makapal yung tela. Sobrang kapal ng tela, which is a good thing. So, as in tatagal naman to. Walang sign of tas-tas or whatsoever. Makakapal yung mga tahi. So, ayan, guys, make sure do not throw this and dispose it properly kasi ang hirap ng kalat ng plastic. So, I ordered one of this. So, itatry natin to ilagay sa isa kong Astrox. So, I'm gonna try and practice to use. So, I'm gonna start using some of this para at least makatipid kesa dun sa usual type na isang grip. So, ayan. And guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and test it. So, if fit natin siya, tingnan natin kung, I'll show it to you kung pasado ba siya or kung maganda siya and then if it's comfortable. So, ayan, guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung shorts. So, I'll show it to you. So, ayan. Habang nakasuot siya, guys. So, this is how it looks like while I'm wearing it. So, ayan, there's the design as you can see. And then there's pocket on both sides, right and left. So, you can see. Maganda yung fit niya, guys. Maikli siya and at the same time hindi siya sobrang haba, which is I don't like about Yonex shorts. So ayan, guys. Then I'll show you the other Yonex one, guys. So ayan. Alright, guys. So papakita ko naman yung isang shorts, which is my favorite, the one that has the cartoonish design. So ayan, guys. Wow! At first, guys, I was like a bit leery about it because like what I've told you, I'm not a fan of Yonex brand. So when it comes to shorts, sobrang ang hirap kumuha ng size, tas mahaba yung the good thing you can adjust this one. So what I did is I adjusted it, but let me show it to you guys first. So ayan. Ayan, it has both pockets as well, which is a good thing. So ayan. Malalim siya, you can also put your phone, hindi siya malalaglag. And one thing I like about it is embroidered yung mga design, guys, yung mga logo. Same as my Victor. So, ayan. So, there's like a space here where you could actually adjust. So, tinupi ko lang siyang napaganon and it's comfortable. Hindi siya masikip or hindi yung parang hindi ka na makahinga. So, I'm so happy kasi sobrang ganda na nung ikli niya. Hindi siya yung sobrang ikli, hindi rin naman siya yung sobrang haba. So, ayan, guys. You may wanna check his place. Legit naman siya, guys, kasi na-receive ko yung item. The normal transaction would be you'll have to chat him. You will have to send the money and then sa kanya ipapadala yung items. Legit naman siya guys, hindi siya budol. So I would not even recommend him if he's like budol or what. I've also seen the reviews, so legit naman siya guys. Visit Badminton Unlimited by Zoe. So I'll put the link down the description below. Again guys, this is not sponsor. I bought this items para at least may vlog tayo and ma-feature na online sale. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. If you're new to this channel guys, again, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-click yung notification bell so that you will be updated on my next upcoming upload. So comment down below guys kung ano yung favorite brand nyo ng shorts at saan din kayo bumibili. So let me know and then comment lang sa baba. So ayun guys, thanks for watching and take care. Peace out!